Game tonight. Pure vibes. Can't kill none. Majesty. Can't kill none. Sequence. Can't kill none. Enforcer. Can't kill none. No limit. Can't kill none. Blue magic. A blue magic. I'm going to be able to see if this is blue magic. I want to swap them, sir. So right now, big up the kitchen. Big up the bar. Phil, big up my brother. Everything good. Majesty. One love where I said. Yeah, man, I said. All right now. Shakin, big up yourself. Shakin, you not get nothing to kill tonight. Only thing you kill tonight, Shakin, I saw NSC. And please, me I beg you to say, if true nice, when you do money pull up, I lose my pear tree at Jamaica. I'm going to plant it back. I settle this where I come from. I want to plant back my pear tree. My neighbor tree cut and die it and bury and die it. So anything you want to do it quick and fast when you need this back there. Alright? So right now, without further ado, Palm Beach, on the reach, Frankie Park, and New Wave. Take it away.
Big up your father sequence. You don't know a thing sitting on the general. This is a tune I'm going to play. I remember when Jan, Reem, and Tivoli, the jobless man, them usually got dance together. See? Listen to that tune now.
This is it.
Well, listen to that tune now. Rush no fuss, man. Only set it. Vice on the Sanchez.
tired of traveling the world, traveling the world through land and seas, traveling the world, traveling the world to set my people free. Yeah. I sat and observed that. I heard and listened to her. Travel the world, travel the world through land and sea. Travel the world, travel the world to set my people free. Oh, yeah.
It's a big thing. The stars here. Everybody want to hear this song. But you see right now, we're not going to hear this song. I mean him Uncle Sean. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to talk too much about the man, I'm just going to play some music. But you see me, the reason I play this song from when I was a little youth, from when I was about 10, right? I used to hear songs like this. And when I grew up, they was on this sound. And they ain't no joke. Because when I was growing up, the man them, the artists them used to walk around with the owner for this song. So we don't know nothing about no digital or whatever. We only know analog and press and mix and do what we have to do. But I mean him Uncle Sean, a city star. You see the song me I gonna play right now? And one of the first songs. What make me say, alright, me I gonna play this song, yeah. Me I gonna play this sound. Alright?
And the mighty Anthony walk up blues here. Brother Dre.
Yes! They're them city star. They're the champion, near and far. East, west, north and south. Why you have the cloud?
City Star! Williams Music sound like a city star. Father Eddie know where yourself.
Watch him. Hey. Shh. Oh, boy. Oh, well. When City Star turn and play rubber dub, sun was start to run now. Sun was start to run. Believe me, when he play each and every day now, he plays so great today. Well, no other sound system stand in his way. Believe me, listen to me while I say to you, City Star is a champion son. City Star is a number. Hey. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. Look here. Hey. Alright. Ooh. Alright. It's gonna be a hot summer. It's gonna be a hot summer. Yeah. The boys and the girls are going to the movie. The boys and the girls are going to the movie. Well, yeah. Alright. Ooh, yeah.
In my life, and I'm so satisfied. Your love and mine, two hearts that are entwined. So many times I thought I'd never find what I'm searching for. I wanna say tonight, you were the one to restore my love. Baby, tonight, all I want is you and I. You are the one I will love until the end of time. Baby, tonight, let me take your hands in mine. For you are the one I will love until the end of time. Coming from the moon to my face to the sun, I'm quite sure I can enough. Oh, I am the God. I've been searching for right where for someone like you. And now that I found you, please be true. I'll never be lonely. I'll never
States of America. Right now, I'm going to play some songs for you. I'm going to tell you something. If you never hear him play before, or you better open on your ears and take some picture, take some video, because him is a legend in the making. And you have the opportunity tonight to have Mark Dragon from Inner City, and also one of our brethren out of Connecticut, yeah, and name Gargamel from the Untouchable Sound, along with the security. I'm going to bring him through the door. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, clear the way as we introduce to you DJ Quiet. Please clear the way. DJ Quiet. Coming through the legend himself. Mark Dragon from Inner City. And Gargamel. And then leader, let the footsteps. Friends alive. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, you're in tune. Mark Dragon, I don't want you going away. I want you to stand right yourself. Because we're responsive career. I want you to stand right yourself. And you are the legend. Mark Dragon from Inner City. I know sound you kill. And I know sound you build. And I know for you to send a road. Are you ready? Take it away. Engineer, don't flap him up. I don't want to get kicked out of here. Please.
Oh, I dropped.
Yeah. When we shine bus.
this girl me not trust nobody. She lucky if she get no call from me. I know that man that smile in my face. When I turn around they look a shot off from me. We don't need no jealousy. Your bad mind energy. When I free up and they go, cause we are doing up. Reach for me energy. You never speak to the level you don't have time. They move with the devil coming back man. They move with the method for a third time. That's a flat line.
Jaja protect me from them. Jaja protect me from them. I see you. You go down for the result. To discuss it. Cause they go down. I'm gonna be a doctor. I'm gonna feed the doctor. I'm gonna feed the noise up. Unless you the doctor. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.
Yeah, hold it. We have one more song to play. If you have one good, say good. And the next one, quiet. Yeah, man, say, he have his own style, his own pattern. He could have done want to play with G.I. Joe. You play from big sound, the big people. The biggest moment in your life. We endorse it for you tonight. When you go home and study very good at computer, look up some dances in Jamaica and you'll see Mark Dragon. This is Mark Dragon. In a city. We play with enough girl titty. So you say you are jealous, and we love that. We love that. But there's some
Why is it so fast?
Yeah. Cry baby, pick up yourself.
You say you can, babe, but I don't say you can lay with you. Stop back to the party. Say you know they make my soul out of my time. Yeah, I love you. You know what I'm saying, I know. Yeah, I miss you. You know what I'm saying, I know. Say now you got to get back. That's you need to be that get back.
You see what? I like you. I like you. You see money pull up, put in your pocket quick and fast. Because Lexus will tax you. Lexus will tax you. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for DJ Quiet. Mommy, come take some picture with the legend, them, you know. Because you know, say, them legend here, take some picture. DJ Quiet. Oh, Mark Dragon say you're going to start talk. Tell him say you're not start walking. You have to start walking and start talk. Silent assassin. Alright, take some picture. What the picture? What is your picture? Lady, who's taking your picture for you? Alright. Yeah, man. Big up. As it coming at this to the man. Where you, man? No. Coming at this to man. What do the man? Young general, you know, man. Give her a round of applause. And you know what? Everybody give $20. Everybody. You know, come down till you get $100. You them are the future. Stop here. Pick up yourself, my brother. We present to you DJ Noah gonna play for 5 minutes. Then we continue with the program. New wave coming after. Take it away.
Run the music.
At this time, we have some presentation to make. And as I call the names of the sounds, I want you to come forward and accept your well-deserved appreciation. Alright? Because the only person I get money tonight is me. When I get trophies, so to come. And I will say, King Amor Sound. I need a representative from King Amor Sound. Yeah. Give King Amor a round of applause, please. Come on. Yeah. On behalf of Acid and Sound System, we present you this trophy. I know probably this is the only one you get, plus your high school diploma. So, we really appreciate you coming. Take a picture with Acid.
Mr. Alex, what are they?
What are they?
You know what I you do that party? The youth here. In this business that I am, just because I do this, everybody want to be on it. Nobody no want to hold the line, everybody want to skip. One sound out at a time, Mr. Lexus. Because there are so many sounds in the world. And doing this, I deal with a lot of ego. I'm like the way you flex, you and your family remind me of me and my family. Your wife lifting the box, running the wire, your son are running the thing. To me, this is a family thing. For some man, it's a ball juggling contest. Family. If you notice, this is the woman out here, pitney a dance, everybody enjoy themselves. Thank you very much. King Amor from Atlanta, representing Mr. Alex.
Give it up for Acid. And the next trophy presentation goes to the hardest working female in the industry. Smallest sound, but the biggest horny. Ladies and gentlemen, Cry Baby.
Calm down. Everybody that you see I put on this program, everybody is special. Nobody is bigger and better than nobody. When she told me that she was gonna build a sound system, because Mr. Lexus, you know it's a man's world, sound system. When you told me you was gonna build a sound system, I said, okay, all right. You are the smallest sound on the block, but you make a big impact for the females. Right, Miss Alex? Thank you, so kind. Representing St. Lucia, right? Thank you, so kind. Everybody give her a round of applause.
And the next recipient for, I don't know if I should call it Senior Citizen Award or Humanitarian Award, but I've seen this gentleman in most of the dances that I've been. Sometimes he take Uber, sometimes he take Lyft. It's not to say he does not drive, but he's not supposed to be out these hours a night. So ladies and gentlemen, with no further ado, NXI, my brother, your brother, give a round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, this man right here, I don't want nobody take it the wrong way. This man here is a very special father to me. Not a brother, this man is a very special man to me. I remember when I started this and I was discouraged by some ignorant sound people. Him encouraged me. Where is Carly? You cannot get this award without your wife. Anytime I see her with you and the sound system. And I wish there were more female supporting the age you are, 109. and she's still standing with you and married. Marriage is not an easy thing. It's easy to go and get a new female, but to keep the one you're with. And I'm gonna give you, it's all I wanna put out on the hand. I give it to you one time, I'm not give you, I'm not give you. It's all I wanna, Alexa is so. Give them a round of applause. Put it up, give them a round of applause. Give them a round of applause. Mr. Alex.
Give it up for LXI. The next recipient. When I see Carl and Mr. Lexus, we have a sound from country. I said, I think we should give them 2 bags of fertilizer. And some banana plant and thing. But Acid said, them have those things already, Lexus. So we gonna call and Bang Sound representative to please come up and accept our sincere gratitude and thank you for being a part of this historic moment. Bang One, give it up.
But I give it to the brother. I give it to 2 of them. Calvin Klein. No. Forward, no man. Hurry up, no man. Don't want to go back to the juggling, man. Forward. Because everybody have a history in this business. We might not make it to the Sound Love, the base of this, the Kilimanjaro, the 4x4, the Nuclear Exodus. But the reason for this being done, Mr. Lexus, the youth here, become a Florida 2002, make the truth be said, right? I walk in with my CD pouch. He was playing on his sound. And I went to him and said, yo, make you get that 5 minutes. Him don't know me from a canopy yet. And then he said, I said, yeah man, 5 minutes. And the way I'm rough up the party. Right there, so. Well, I'm man, go nice. Right there, so is where I make my name. Because of the youth over there, Calvin Klein. And I like to speak the truth. I'm a youth responsible for all of this. Even though I'm doing it, he's responsible. Because if he never give me that break there in Florida when I left New York City, we wouldn't be doing this. So ladies and gentlemen, they build their sound from 3 amplifier. They started their sound. And they hear them sound and give them a little trouble, but none of them make the amps. A man make it. Ladies and gentlemen, this mean a lot to me to award this sound because they mean a lot to me and where I'm coming from and where I'm at today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bang One Sound. Now give 2 out now. No one out with it. 2 out now. Bang One Sound. Give them a round of applause. Give them a round of applause.
Give it up for Bang One. The next recipient. Why, may I tell you, this brother, every time we run into each other, he's always talk about music. And he's the first man to tell you, when you come from Spanish Town. I want to know what's the difference between Spanish Town and St. Elizabeth or Manchester. The only thing I can tell you about Spanish Town that most people don't know, that's where they used to hang, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you and I call upon the recipient from New Wave Sound to come and accept.
Yeah. People, this money is the only sound system in here does have no drive rack, no fancy button, no jig-me jab-me, no tricks, no chicken wing, no X39. Just a plain Mackie mode on the sound. Yo, to we sound system lovers, you hold the harder. Give him a round of clap for hold the harder. Bobby and our manners, and thank you very much to still be in the sound system game. Thank you very much.
And Bobby, I want to thank you very much from the bottom of my heart to keep Frankie Paul memory alive by having a Frankie Paul on your song. Alright? The next, I don't know. When I used to live in Kingston, and I used to go to UWI, most of you remember University of the West Indies, they call it UTech now, they call it CAS, they call it everything. I used to take a bus named City Star. You remember City Star? Yeah, that's the PW. We run from Waterhouse, Papi, halfway tree to Papi. And I saw this sound on a flyer. And I said, is this a car sound? Or it's a passive sound? Man said to Mr. Lexus, it's a car sound. So ladies and gentlemen, with no further ado, will the recipient of this award please come forward and don't drive the VW, just trot along. Ladies and gentlemen.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Too fast. Where's Sarge? Sarge. Alright. Am I right? You see that youth here? I'm a real... Mr. Alex, that youth here was a real sharp shooter. But him not hype.
General, man.
A whole heap of things we know go on and we not go talk. But a real sharp shooter in a real life and a changing life. My brethren, I'm a family. More time, me and him we argue, but I'm a family same way. That's sound here. I want bad sound from them time here. And still there in a sound system culture. This is City Star sound. If you don't know, you just don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen, come here. That's it. I want you to put your hands together for this gentleman. This man keeping the sound culture alive. It doesn't mean call two sound and then jump in the UR and come. You put your family, your livelihood at risk to do these things. Lots of planning, lots of approvals with the cities and things like that. Police and everything. So put your hands together and give this gentleman a round of applause. We have one more award to give out. And it's for Kelvin time. Come for your beer. And the first award you're getting a life, you're running for your beer. Thank you. Yeah. So, okay, we're gonna give now one more song, and then we're gonna go to New Wave, and then what time? We're gonna go down to 1 for 1. All right. So before now I play, let me explain to you how the 1 for 1 segment works. So we start late, but that's what I think. But we're good, man. The 1 for 1 segment is we're gonna name the song, and each song gonna be playing that artist 1-1. No repeat. A song by the artist. Like for example, the first would be a Dennis Brown. So this song play Dennis Brown, this song play this song. Any song play repeat, drop out. Alright. So it's fair to say, Frankie Paul, you guys are gonna start it.
Yes.
What happened?
You want to go, sir? Where you want to go? You want to go so? Go around?
So we can.
Alright, so we start the way we had it before. Okay. So, Amor, you play Dennis Brown, please.
No, I play one song.
Eh?
No, I play one song.
Hold on.
No, hold on. Come.
Should I have faith in you? you're going away, there ain't no way we can stay together anymore. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting alone.
Dennis, bro. Dennis Brown, that's it. New wave. ladies. New Wave, tenor song. City Star tenor song. Everybody will like what go on in our road of applause. Bless them black. This is why we're doing this. The Amor blood clot event. Miss Alex. I like how New Wave them come and the girl just lay down, see where they can't do nothing. Hold on, my friend. Anyway, Amor, hold up. You play Amor, man. Tell us, sir.
Yes.
Tenor song. Amor. Tenor song.
Ready.
Tick-a-tock, my golden name. She lay next to the gentleman. Sometime 9 and sometime 10.
Cry, baby.
Can't say me never did I want you. Oh Lord, me tell you. Some trouble take your Lord of God. Think they shut it I gon' feed you. Yeah. No trouble take your Lord of God. Think they shut it I gon' feed you. Oh, I just love how the champion song keep playing. At a reggae multicultural style, live a flash till the morning, till the morning. I'm with a little
Bam tenor song.
you remember the days in school? Alright then, we wanna learn without any rules. Alright then, see, good morning teacher, long time teacher. Alright then, children got to school, nothing left from the teacher.
Cry babies. Nitty-gritty. Could you please play me from the pause? And we goes to UF with Don Carlos. City Star, and here you're Don Carlos.
That you just can't live without. To get them, it's a mountain, and to keep them, it's a mountain, and to lose them, it's a bigger problem.
Okay, Amor, could you please play me Don Carlos? Acid, could you please bring me down colors? And we move on to the next artist. We just lost him earlier this year, Mr. Leroy Gibbons. And we go over to City Heat with Mr. Leroy Gibbons, known as Gibby. City Star, I should say.
What's the name of the sound? What's the name of the sound? What's the name of the sound?
Amor, Mr. Leroy Gibbons.
Now it's to the end of time. Now it's to the end of time. This magic moment, so different and so new, but like any other. Until I kissed you, and then it happened. It took me by
Cry Baby, Mr. Leroy Gibbons.
It's a lover's question. I'd like to
Okay. And we goes to the sound way out in the country. To Acid Sound with Leroy Gibbons. All right, hold it. I am not, no one, but so, Acid, thank you very much. Right. And this is what we want. Yeah. Right, play back. Hold on.
This is what the sound is here for you to learn. Listen. Because if you are listening, you won't play about that song there. So learn to listen, you're learning. Take this as a learning lesson. So you're going to do better next time. It's not about winning all the time. Sometimes it's about losing. So you can come back better. That's it.
Thank you very, very much. Hold on, New Year, before you play, we're going to go to Phyllis Dillon. But before you play, I think it's safe to say there is some songs that some foundation people in the dance or in the park is listening for. I don't think we are hearing those songs. You know what I'm saying? There's songs that I know, I feel there's songs that we can go above and better than these regular songs. You have every one of these artists have over, like for example, Dennis Brown. I don't play sound, and I have 150, 45, and 75 albums of Dennis Brown, and I don't play sound. We can do better than that, man. Come on. So we're gonna go to the next artist, Phyllis Dillon. City Star, Miss Phyllis Dillon, please. And Amor, Miss Phyllis Dillon, please. She said she played her way. Let's see how Alex is gonna play his way. Okay, hold on. That's a playback? Okay.
One second. Hey, one second. Miss Friday, stop crying. Cool? Alright, listen. If that sound was really wrong, that's the reason why that happened. It's a wrong name. Let's fight her.
Okay, it's a playback. Thank you very much. I like it. I love it. Bam, you're having a lot of fun. Bam, I want to tell you something. I know it's very hard out in the country. Welcome to the city. Okay, so we have two high school dropout. Lucky thing, acid given her a trophy, but won't get no diploma. So we goes now. Where's acid? I want to make sure we do the right thing. Acid. What segment is? Is it the dub plate segment?
Sorry, Mr. Lex, I don't mean to interrupt, but to be honest, picture on the wall play over this, brother. Not don't stay away. See it? So get it right. Don't stay away is different from picture on the wall. Okay? So Alex, I never play about no song. I don't beg me, I beg.
Thank you, sir. Seriously.
So audience, what the man said, is he right? Okay. So it's an honest mistake because them say God never make mistake and sometimes he give some man some long thing when I did a thing they forget. You know me I say? Alright, I say we want to know what round we going to, please. Run come down here so come tell them what I want. Tell them what I want here so I see.
Alright, hold on now. One somebody attack. Hold on, one voice. Hold on now. The man have real next to you now. No. Alright, hold on. Mr. Alex, take it. Calm down. That is why you don't drink real nephew. You leave it alone. Bama the dam a soul. Kino, the man is drinking rum and the everything. Leave him alone. Hey! Here we go now, Silver. One voice. They're around here. Before we Bobby there. We Bobby Socks. Sorry there, brother. Come on, Typhoon. We're done. Do it. Anna Manas, put on that. Anna Manas, yeah, man, and respect over the years, eh? No disrespect. We never like always start blame it on me. No disrespect. That's all there. Hold on now. Yes, sir. And when we are going to prove who knows song and who have sung in a box. From Splice to Wagabwanda, dub for dub round now. Miss Alex, we are starting over here, so. We are going over that soda. Come here, Miss Alex. Hey, no talking, make sure we now pay attention. Hey, Tony, I know you have your dub plate, so we don't worry about nobody. You know what I know? The song from Atlanta, Mr. Alex, I'm going to start the dub plate round. Now round here, pay attention. When you go to school, pay attention. We'll start with the singer name first.
Broken-hearted sound boy, calling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.